gonna try every single vegan sandwich that you can find in grocery stores. Except exclusive ones. And what I mean by that is that I'm not gonna try sandwiches that you can find only in specific stores. I'm just gonna try most common ones that you can find almost in every store. So let's get started. I'm gonna start my test with this chili deli oats sandwich. I have no idea what deli oats really is. Is it a brand name or is it specific oats? Not bad at all by any means, but quite spicy. Let's move to a next one, which is sun-dried tomato paprika sandwich, which looks pretty much exactly the same as the last one. Way too sweet. This definitely goes straight to F tier. And the next one is this rye carrot. And this carrot is made specific way that it gives a little bit smoky flavor, and it's supposed to imitate salmon. But little bit too salty for my liking. This really did taste just like salmon, that I'm gonna test this little bit bigger one. Oh, I'm gonna get some veggies inside this time. Jesus, this thing was spicy, but it wasn't that bad, although less spice would have been nice. This was really good actually, way better than the spicy one. And the next one gonna be from the same company but little bit different. Way too salty, and I think that this would taste way better toasted. I think that this would be better if you would add some veggies or something. Thus far my favorite was that salami honey mustard bread, and my least favorite one was the sun-dried tomato paprika one. That was way too sweet. And the last one, at least this one have some veggies in it. Not the best thing in a universe and not the worst either. This one was a-okay. Plus for the veggies. I'm gonna do real quick the list out of these breads. And the first one is this falafel rye bread. And I'm gonna put this in C tier. It was a-okay, nothing fancy. And the second one is sun-dried tomato paprika sandwich. I'm not really fan of sun-dried tomatoes, so F tier you go. Way too sweet. I didn't like this at all. And the third one is another rye bread one, and I'm gonna put this in B tier. And the fourth one is chili oat sandwich. This was actually quite tasty, and I'm gonna put this in A tier. And then the next one is this baguette looking sandwich, chorizo salsa verde. This was a little bit too spicy for my liking, so I'm gonna put this in B tier. Next one is same kind of sandwich, but this time is honey mustard, and this one was actually really good, and I'm gonna put this in S tier. And the last one is this spicy Italian, but I'm a little bit confused that where was the spice. To me this was more like a salty Italian than spice, so D tier it is. And the last one is this Verne one, which imitates kebab. First I put this in D tier, but I'm gonna later change it into C tier. This one was okay as well, plus for the veggies. And don't worry, these breads are not going to waste. I'm gonna eat the rest of them later,